This is literally right after the last video, which is a trend. But yeah, so if you're in an unfortunate situation like me where a random tiny little couple of raindrops just end up falling from the sky to say fuck you and the progress that you got, all you need, microfiber and alcohol. And then you just keep rubbing it. You're gonna have to like apply quite a bit of it and rub it in, and then eventually it's gonna get like easy to rub. And then once you get like a pump of rubbing alcohol, you'll be able to literally like gloss by the whole headlight, and that's when you know it's all off. So once you do that, you just buff the headlight off, and then you can feel, boom, it's pretty smooth. Do the other side. Boom, it's pretty smooth. Like there's some like sticky spots. Then you let it dry, heat the surface up, do the cleaning wipe on both, buff them down with the paper towel, and then you do the protectant, and then you do the heat gun again, but from a distance, and then it will be able to set in the half an hour. And then make sure for 24 hours it does not get wet. So make sure you're doing this on a day where there's not going to be any rain and you don't wash your car. So if anything, wash your car first and then do it. Or if you forget, you could do like a spray detail, like you spray a microfiber and then you just wipe down the car, and then you'll be all set. Ooh, I'm all tripping, man. I should not be out here in my house slippers. Well, they're not house slippers, they're slippers, but I should not be doing work on a car because there's like water and oil and everything. But yeah, boom, that's what you do to reapply it. But yeah, in this video I'm going to be doing the yellow headlights most likely, and then the red tail lights. So I'm going to be using my red tail light spray to get those clear parts. Oh man, I'm here spitting, Jesus Christ. But to get those clear parts off, because I again really do not like that. Like, I don't know why it's such a big pet peeve, but I've been considering doing it to this car and the other car too, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough, so I'm just gonna spray mine for now and order another one, and then I may do the other two, because I hate clear tail lights on these type of cars. Like if the tail lights are not full clear, I don't want them. So yeah, house over there is on fire. Wild. Yeah, so I gotta turn around. Let me see. Blood clot thing mad enough. Right now, as I wait to see who's able to do the flex fuel kit install, I'm going to be doing the red taillight thing. So yeah, I'll wipe it down, tape it up, and then go. So yeah, and a lot of this alcohol thing spilled out, so it's kind of annoying. Boom, got some out. You just wipe down the surface. It's super annoying to do it with the camera in my hand, but until I get another gimbal thingy, this is what I gotta do. So, oh damn, I'm all about to trip. You could just wipe up the rest, because why not? Boom. Wrapped it up as best as I could. It should be fine. If it was a black car, it would be a lot easier because you could. It's easier on a black car, but yeah. Now you just heat up the surface with a heat gun. You can also heat up the spray can, which you also should as well. So I may just like warm it up a little bit just for better adhesion. Then heat up the glass, like the lens itself, spray, dry, and then do a couple coats and good. I'll see what I can record again because I don't have like a gimbal or a stand to put this on, but we'll do the best we can. Boom, so you guys see this was the first coat, really light, just so you can start the adhesion process. Then you give it a few minutes, then you spray the other side, and you just keep going back and forth, probably like 5-6 coats, then you should be done. So this is the second coat. As you guys can see, it's almost fully red, like it basically is. Probably looks darker in the screen, I can't really tell, but usually I do like 3-4 coats. It's pretty quick and easy, and just try to make it not too heavy coats because it will run. Like it's running on mine, but that's because it's very windy out, but I don't really mind. I'm just going to use acetone on the parts that are not red and clean the what do you call it, the running parts up. But overall, this is really easy to do. I've probably done like 15 sets of tail lights with this, so yeah. Also, if you have like any parts like here where it got through, you just use, again, alcohol. Boom. So you guys can see. And also, the quicker you wipe it off, like before it dries, the easier it is to get off, or else you're gonna have to put some elbow grease into it, but it's not bad. Boom. See that? Oh, one more spot up here, no problem. Nice and clean. But yeah, boom, super easy. And then you just wipe down the rest and you're good to go. Couple runs, but that's what happens when you do it on a cold day. It's actually pretty cold down, my fingers are numb, so the camera's probably gonna be shaky, but this is how taillights are supposed to look. There's not supposed to be like white spots in a taillight like that. Like, I hate it so much. I can't emphasize that enough, how much I absolutely hate taillights with white in them. Like, this is perfect. I love the look, and I'm actually most likely going to spray these so it's a little bit more glossy, but for now, that's fine. I love this look. It looks so much better. Oh my god.